What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. How are you guys doing? In the last 24 hours, we have had our first major winter storm in North Carolina. The bad thing about that is there was some ice accumulation. And when we have ice accumulation in North Carolina, there could be some downed trees or some downed power lines. The last thing you want to have happen is for your power to go out and you have no heat source. That's why a lot of people here in this area buy kerosene heaters. Kerosene heaters are a good backup heat source because they don't require electricity. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble this product. I'm also going to go over some of its special features. But before I do that, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. These are all the components that come with the product. You have the main unit, a carrying handle, you have the burner, you're going to have the protective grills. It comes with a top, a rear, and a front. These are the protective grill brackets. It has a top plate. It also comes with a siphon hose, which we will not be needing for the assembly. And finally, 2 batteries and 2 screws. The first thing we're going to assemble are the grill brackets. The grill brackets are what hold the front and rear grill onto the unit. The next part we're going to assemble are the front and rear grills. This will be the front because it has a little space there for the controls. The next part we're going to put together is the top plate. Make sure you line up these two with the carrying handle holes on each side. Now going to assemble the top grill. There are 2 screws that connect the top grill to the front and rear grill. Now let's assemble the carrying handle. Be sure the top plate is lined up. After that, insert your batteries. And you're ready to go. Before using this unit, be sure you read the instructions carefully. Some of the special features of this product are it has its own fuel gauge. It tells you how much is in the tank, but it also tells you how much time you have. It has a manual shut-off switch. This is the wick adjuster for adjusting the height of the wick. It also comes with an electronic igniter. If you mash this, open this, look inside of it, you'll see that the igniter starts to glow, and that is what lights the wick. This is the burner we put in earlier. Make sure this handle is facing outside this window. And when you get ready to turn this off, all you have to do is hit this shut off manual switch, or manual shut off switch. All right, there it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.